So this is question number 5 here. We've been given the following triangle. Okay, fair enough. So this is P, Q, S, T and R. It is given that PQR and STR are similar triangles. So PQR and STR. Now with this information they are asking us to fill up. So this is the fill in the blanks they are giving us. In the diagram above, the corresponding angles of triangle PQR and triangle STR are dash and the dash of their corresponding sides are the same. Now clearly PQR and STR are similar triangles. So in the diagram above, the corresponding angles of PQR and STR, see, the corresponding angles are going to be equal, right? And the dash of the corresponding sides are same. The ratio, okay, the ratio of the corresponding sides are same. So that is the solution for this question. Now the next question, they are asking us to find the value of PQ given that RS is 15, SP is 9 and ST is 12. Now SP, this is given as 9, RS is given as 15 and ST is given as 12. So clearly RP is nothing but RS added with SP. RS is 15, SP is 9, so this is going to give me 24. RP is 24. Now since the triangles are similar, we know that RP over RS is equal to PQ over ST. So 24, RS is 15, PQ I need, ST is 12. So therefore PQ is 24 times 12 divided by 15. So you can use 3 times 5 is 15, 3 divides here 4 times. Over the 16, 1, 4, 2 are 8, 96 divided by 5. 5 divides here 1 time, 4, 9 times, 46, carry 1 and you have 2 there. So therefore PQ is 19.2 cm if the unit is cm. Okay, so that's a solution for this question. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, for this question 5b part I, they are asking us to find the coordinate of E from the figure. Now clearly from the figure we have observed that E is 4,2. So you need to just see the figure and get the coordinates. Okay, so I'm actually putting up the figure here. You can clearly see the marks on the figure that I have indicated, and clearly from there the corresponding points are going to be 4,2. So that is the solution for that part. Now they are asking us the next part. Now there is a transformation that is mapping DEF to D dash, E dash, F dash. Now we are asked to describe this transformation. The solution is that there was a 90-degree anti-clockwise rotation about the origin. This is very important. Okay, so that is the solution for this question. So let's move on.